Sometimes you gotta stay in, and you know where I live. Yeah, you know what we is. Sometimes you gotta stay in. Welcome to my house, baby, take control now.
What's up, Oddies? It's Odd Girl Zoe here, and this video is gonna be about updates. So we're gonna get started, but before we do, I'm just gonna give a shout out to Miss Tiffany Ma. Go follow her page. I'll put a link below. And thank you, Weston Corey, for teaching me the dab. You are the dab king, and I would love to be your dab queen. So thank you. I think we should get started. Let's go. The schedule. My schedule for my YouTube videos is gonna be good for you guys and good for me because it'll help me know when to upload my videos with just different stuff. So every Tuesday I'm gonna upload videos. So just be ready for a new video every Tuesday with different topics. And also, if some of you guys follow me on YouNow, and I'll probably put a link below too for my channel on YouNow. I do live shows. I'm gonna start doing them randomly. So yeah, just be ready, and I'm just really excited. It's something for you guys to know me about. For some of you guys, if you watch my Musical.lys on Musical.ly, or go on my Instagram or on my Snapchat, you guys see that I wear these round glasses, and I love wearing glasses, but my favorite ones are my round glasses, mint green, and I'm gonna get some more of those. So if you see somebody out with round glasses and they look like me, then you're gonna say, oh hey, that's Odd Girl Zoe, let's go talk to her, get her like autograph or something like that. And I'm also gonna start wearing headwear, but the main one is gonna be bandanas, and there's gonna be like weird colored bandanas, and once I get those, I'll show you guys my bandanas, the background. As you can see, I use red lights, and I have the paint on that wall is horrible. So me and my parents are gonna fix that, so you guys don't have to look at an ugly background and get distracted and you're not listening to me. So we're gonna do that, and there's gonna be better lighting, better backgrounds. It's probably just gonna be fun backgrounds, like you'll probably see like fish or just like different backgrounds, like you know the roll-up ones. That's what I'm gonna try doing. My camera, I use my phone, okay? And my phone is it's an iPhone. It's one of the best quality phones you can get, but I want to do something better, so I'm gonna get a better camera. But for right now, my stepfather ordered me a lens for my phone, and I'm just really excited because the video is going to be so much better. And yeah, I just want to thank you guys for watching this video. Subscribe and comment video ideas that you think would be great. Tell your friends about my YouTube page. I've improved so much better, don't you think, if you've watched my old videos before. And if you want to follow me on my social medias, Odd Girl Zoe. That's all it is. Odd Girl Zoe, Z-O-E, not Z-O-E-Y, Z-O-E, Odd Girl Zoe. I'm on Instagram, Musical.ly, Snapchat, YouNow. Don't forget to follow me on YouNow. And so